So is it Gangnam style? Or is it Gangnam style? Or is it kimchi? Or is it kimchi? If you have ever wondered how to pronounce these Korean words as the Koreans would, and if you have ever wanted to expand your or your students' repertoire into this beautiful body of Korean art song repertoire, please join me this summer in San Diego. I'm Sang-Ki Kim, professor of voice and opera at TCU in Fort Worth, Texas, and I'm also the governor of the North Texas district of NATS. I'll be joining with nationally and internationally renowned colleagues to present at the NATS 2023 summer workshop titled Shine On, Inspiring Diverse Repertoire. Yes, I'll be sharing the Korean art song repertoire that would be suited for diverse performance situations, ranging from private studios to college studios and all the way to the professional recital stages. We learn how to read those Korean writing system, which will give each participant the confidence that the Korean art song can be sung phonetically and beautifully at that, in the most bel canto vocal style that you can imagine. I'm inviting you, yes, you, to participate in this workshop with a Korean art song that you have always wanted to sing and refine the diction and the delivery of it. Or wanted to know where to start with this body of repertoire, please do reach out to me directly at s.kim, K-I-M, number 4, at tcu.edu, or through the registration webpage. As a matter of fact, why don't you go there right now and register for the workshop Shine On, Inspiring Diverse Repertoire now, and ask for a spot to sing in my presentation of the Korean art song repertoire. I'm so excited to see you there. 감사합니다. 안녕.